Well, if you have normal, I have the two cat, and if I have the normal, you have my two cat. Yeah, because
you're gonna be nice to the chew cat, Nico?
Yeah.
No hitting the chew cat. But be nice to him. Nico, why don't you eat your pizza, Nico? Get another slice over here. And I think we're gonna go to Home Depot and pick out a stain just for you, Xander, okay?
You want to play with people?
Yeah. Does that sound good? So you can pick out your color? You're like drooling on your face, dude.
It just wasn't my tooth and like.
Pushing out drool?
Yeah.
Okay. Band-aid on your face? Catch your drool?
What flavor should green taste like? Definitely lime. Apple would be yellow, right? Wow, that surprises me. Sharks are folded toilet paper. Who has time to fold their toilet paper? You're not folding the pyramids. That's crazy. Which chipmunk got it best? I remember this. I would say Theodore, because I think he's going crazy there. It's definitely not Alvin, okay? Subtitles on or off? On if they're offered, why not? And subwoofer got brown egg. I guess people can't read. And then single space or double space after a period. Who's doing double space? Okay, that 10% needs to redo school. These are the most controversial questions on the internet, so let's answer them. How many should you take? I mean, it depends where you're at, but I'd say a rule of thumb is like 2 sauces per item. Maybe 3, because like the last thing you want is to run out of sauce and eat dry food. 3 samples are probably weird after your second one. Keep going for a second to push me, but I think 3 is the official stop. Ice cream samples are the same thing. I think you can try like 2 flavors max, then after that you cut off. I'm gonna get breadsticks and meatballs. Or like 4 baskets.
Those parakeets are going to town on your seat.
For refills, I think you go pretty high. Maybe like 5 or 6 is the max. If you get a refill or 2 for 2, that's not too standard. If you're touching double digits though, that becomes a bit too much. Water cups, I think you ask more than 1 per person in your group. So if we're going solo, I'd never.
And then they're stopping giving me out views.
Hey, Nico. Do you want to walk outside to see if that scares off the parakeets?
Yes.
This is a new reconstruction of what's history.
Comes in. Put on your clips, buddy. You're just going to watch your movies?
These are bits of content across, but if you take away the ocean, I can see that they're marked larger plates. These lines or plates are moving apart or slightly moving at the same time. Now a new supercontinent called the Venus. After a huge breakup, temperatures fall and much of the Earth's surface is covered in ice. Once the cold, more complex life starts to evolve, it shows your tooth from Africa.
Dad,
Yeah?
you can close it.
Well, I'm coming out.